So this is the recap for live stream 311, I believe. And so we've had to reset our account today. So we reset it to 6. We picked up 10,943 in P&L. The account history, we can see our most recent trade was a loser just here. But we got 2 gains. Let's see, I think the gains were all on NQ. Yep, they were on NQ, so I went short here, looking for price to retest these lows. Target was hit. Price then came into this area. Previously saw buying, went long, and decided to take profits here at this. The lows from the 12th of June, the designated target was up at 57.25, but because it acted as somewhat bit of a resistance early this morning, decided to take profit there. Over on gold, went short, looking for price to initially, I was looking for price to head down towards the 77s. Price didn't do that. Instead, we rallied a bit, so adjusted the target down to 78.8. Price came up. Stop was meant to be above 86.6. Didn't like the fact that the stop was that high, so placed a stop around 84.5s. So the stop was around here. Noticed a bit of a flag, drew this flag out after I was successful over on NQ. I decided that I'll just take a break even on this trade. Now what happened was price came down, pretty much got to the 81 where my entry was, came back, decided to adjust my stop down lower, was eventually taken out. At this point, I adjusted my target to about break even because I was up on the day because of the NQ trades. So adjusted my stop to just slightly better than break even around 80.5. Price came down, was stopped out there for a small loss. Eventually price of course came down to that 80.5. If you look at our account history, start the account, reset it today. These are the trades that were taken. So there's our one loss. Had 2 winners, 2 fairly small winners. Not going to complain too much about them. And there was the loss. So that was pretty much a trading for today. As you can see, we had 2 winners, 1 loser, around about 66%. You can see the average win is about 7, average loss is about 3. So that was it for today. It was Juneteenth in the US, so it was a market holiday, and it was reflected in, you can see here on the equities, you can have the snowflake there suggesting that there isn't any data coming through. Also got a bit suspicious when I saw that on NQ that on ES that the volume was less than 200,000, so that was a big key indicator. On the economic calendar front, I had the high impact events. It didn't have it on here, but on the more expanded calendar, it had it here. So it's just something to think about. But I'll come back, see what the market brings going forward, and hopefully you can get some winners. With that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.